So hello and welcome to a new video. Today video I will show you worldprofit.com. This is the free classified ads.com. Here you can post free ads for your CPA or affiliate marketing works. If we come on similar web, you will see the rank is 73,591 in USA and the average view duration is 8 minutes 50 seconds. Monthly visit more than 2 lakhs. So now we will post a ad at here, but if you don't have an account at here, please create your account here. Visit worldprofit.com, then the site is load, then click on join free, place your name and email address, then order get started now. Then they will send you your email and member ID and password at your mail. Then click on members, then paste your member ID and paste your password what they have sent it on your Gmail or that mail you have used it. Then fill up that you are not a robot and fill up the captcha below here. Then you will be logging at the page. After logging at the page, you have to click on free classified ads. Okay, included is then click on place free ad. Now at here you have to post your free ad, then click on post ad. Okay, okay, they're seeing that my account is not verified yet, so I have to verify my account from my Gmail. Now you can see they have sent me a confirmation associate mail. I have to open this mail. So my page has been loaded. Then you can see click here to confirm your email address. If you didn't confirm your email address, you can post ad on your account. So I have clicked on okay, my account has been created. Now I will cut the tabs, then free classified ads. Now place a free ads, then post a ad. Now you can see the page is not showing now. So no adult ads allowed. I also recommend this because some of the people you choice dating CPA offers or affiliate offers. I don't like it. If you guys come for only dating offers and visiting my channel, then understand you have to understand that I don't provide any of the dating offers and I don't like it, or adult type of content. I don't like it. I only clearly promoted CPA or affiliate offers. On this page I have choiced a PayPal gift card offer. I will choose this and copy the link and paste it here. Now the thing is, you can't only paste this, you have to do many other things. If you do this, you will not able to get any type of leads or sales from this website, and they are working for from I think 1984. The website is many years old. So at here you can see I have pasted a CPA offer link, but the thing is I have to use shortcutly for short this URL, because if someone sees the affiliate or CPA link, they doesn't click at that the URL. So I will copy, sorry, the URL link, pasted the link, shorten, okay, copy the link. The link has been copied. Now I will cut this, and on the URL box I have to paste the link at here. Okay, the link has been pasted. You can see the email address. Now the thing is, what we have to type it here, that the thing is we can also use other things at here. You can see bold, italic, underlined, subscript, superscript, and many other things at here. I will make it big. Then we have to write something, uh, I mean good looking. So this is the PayPal gift card. So you can write this, sorry, grab your free $750 PayPal gift card. Then we have to give it at the center. Then we will bold the text. Also you can underline it. Then we have to write the main thing. You can also post your multiple offers at only one post, but the thing is, if you use classified ads network like Worldprofit and many other, then you have to post more than 10 or 20 posts per day on those websites. Then you can get a chance to get leads, because we are promoting our free uh, offers and posted ads by for free. So at first I have get the in here. Now if you want the gift card, then click the link, control V. Okay, so it should be not be a link. Okay, but the thing is, we have pasted the link at here. Also we have to paste the link at URL at here and here, the same corner. Now we can post ad, but we will not do that, because we have to choose categories, or our post will not be a good thing uh, for Worldprofit network, and they will not promote it. So we have to choose. So gift card related offers are mostly like freebies, general, money making, freebies, general interested. We have to choose those all things. Like affiliate marketing, you can also choose affiliate marketing, and internet based. So that's enough. Okay, that's enough. Now we can able to post it. Okay, there is also a freebies option, also freebies. That's enough for now. And you can also write any other things at here. So if you don't get any type of thing, then you can use AI or FRA. First, here is a fresh AI tool. I have also already made a video about it on my past videos. I will give the link on description or the card option. Then we have to generate an article for free. Then we will input the thing from here. Okay, I have copied it. Then Control V. Okay, there is no option. You have to Control V at here. Also G is not available. G. Okay. Then generate. Now AI will generate a original copy of your article. So first AI is thinking, the is loading. Okay, so we can also copy this, but we there is a thing that we have to cut all those things. Okay, but now copy this, copy it. Now I will paste it at here. Control V. Okay, but you can see you can also add your Facebook, Twitter links at here, but I will not do it now. Hmm, that's enough now. So post ad. Now we have to click on post ad. Sorry, but we found the URL you interested in banned website. Okay, so for this reason we can use Blogger. Okay, now I will go on Blogger. Then on my past video I have made a video about how to create a blog website and create landing page for that. Now we'll paste the same thing at here. Sorry, paste the same title. Oof, go back. The thing is the link has been broken from here. Now we will copy this, then paste it at the title box. Now you have to download a button image, button img. Okay, button img, then image. Okay, click here button image, we have to sub. Okay, uh, click here. So we will download this. So one more thing I have to say, that if you really didn't have subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel, because we work hard for this. Now we will upload the picture from here, my computer, upload choice file. Then on the download box there is a download image. Okay, the image upload failed. Why I can't able to understand. Okay, okay, png. Now choice file, I think only png and jpg formats can be uploaded. So you can see there on, follow my mouse, jfif. This is a code png type. So select. Now what we have to do is we have to attract link at here, insert link, control a, control v, you can see there is the link. Okay, control C, copy, then paste it here and open this link on the new window. Now I will also add something. Follow the click here option for get the PayPal gift card. Okay, you can also make it colorable. So how, whatever if the landing page looks good, your customer will follow the link more. Okay, I have the color red bold. Okay, you can also add the link at here. Click on PayPal gift card, then link it, paste, apply. You can see the text is linked and the link image also linked. Okay, so now we will publish it. Confirm. We have made a simple landing page. Now click on share option. Now we have to copy the link. Copy this link and come on currently again and short the URL. Shorten. Sometime currently will load or any type of problem. Copy. Then oh, this link can be copied, so we can also use bit.ly. The video is going very long. Okay, now we will paste the link at here, then shorten it. Then the link has been copied. Now we will paste the same link at here, but this will be the bit.ly link. We will change the link also from here. Okay, so I pasted this link, then post it because we have wasted a many time for this reason. Okay, we have finally posted our ads. You can see 6066 classified ads found at here. Now our ad is posted. So in with this way you can generate traffic from your website, and worldprofit.com is a highly visited website from USA and other countries. You can see. So this is the video about. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for most latest videos. Thank you so much.